understanding the phrase, big fish, an English learning journey. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, big fish. You might have heard this phrase in movies, books, or everyday conversations. It's a colorful expression that paints a vivid picture in English. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and the interesting nuances it holds. First, let's look at the literal meaning. A big fish is simply a large fish. Imagine a fisherman proudly talking about the size of the fish they caught. However, in English, we often use phrases beyond their literal sense. That's where idioms come in, and big fish is one of them. When used idiomatically, big fish refers to a person who is important or influential in a particular context. This could be a company, a social group, or a small community. The key here is the relative importance of the person in their specific environment. Example 1. Imagine a small company. The CEO or the owner might be considered a big fish in that setting. Example 2. In a local community, a person who contributes a lot or has significant influence might be the big fish of that neighborhood. Now, let's see how to use big fish in actual sentences. Remember, context is crucial for idiomatic expressions. He became a big fish in the tech industry after his app went viral. In our small town, the mayor is really the big fish. Everyone knows and respects her. She prefers working in a smaller pond where she can be a big fish, rather than being a small player in a large corporation. Notice how the phrase can be used to describe different situations and individuals, depending on their status in a particular setting. An interesting variation of this phrase is, big fish in a small pond. This means someone is important in a limited sphere, but might not have the same influence in a larger context. It's often used to describe people who prefer being in smaller settings where they can stand out more easily. And that's our exploration of the phrase, big fish. It's a versatile idiom that captures the idea of importance and influence within a specific context. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to your English. We hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a big fish in the ocean of English language proficiency. Until next time, happy learning!